Today I finally got to ride King Claw, Dreamworld's new for 2025 Intamin Gyro Swing, and replacement for the fan favourite Claw ride which closed earlier in the year. I've been closely following King Claw's construction, and finally getting to ride it was very surreal but also very fun and special. In this video I'll talk about my first experience riding the ride, and also about its theming, as it's one of the best themed rides in Australia, with Dreamworld blowing me away once again. Let's start with the ride itself. It has some very impressive stats, reaching a maximum swing of 42 meters high and reaching speeds of 98 kilometers an hour. I popped into the park in the late afternoon on one of the ride's soft opening days, with King Claw officially properly opening on the 12th of September. Being near closing time, it was thankfully a walk-on, so I hopped into the queue and gave it a couple of rides, and wow, it completely blew me away. It was very smooth yet very forceful, giving a fantastic sensation of speed and some awesome views of the surrounding area. I was expecting the ride to have airtime, but I wasn't expecting how much airtime it gave. You know, it was crazy. I got completely thrown out of my seat, honestly more so than I expected, giving some of the best airtime from a ride I've personally ever ridden. Loved it. While you don't go fully upside down, at the peak of the swings it certainly felt like it due to the sharp angle. At these moments the airtime pretty much felt like hang time. You know that feeling when you drop out of your seat during inversions? I haven't felt it like that since riding Project Zero at World, aka the old buzzsaw ride. It was a fantastic feeling for me, but definitely completely terrifying for less seasoned riders. But anyway, I loved the two rides I got on it, and it really exceeded my expectations. I've heard nothing but unanimous praise from riders so far, so I think the park's on to a winner. The ride hardware-wise isn't the only thing good about the attraction, as the theming and overall presentation is also top-notch. I believe it's based on a 1920s ferryport which the King Claw monster is in the process of attacking. There's a ton of theming with so much detail thrown into it. You know, there's props everywhere, original artwork, lots of references to Dreamworld and its attractions, and even some animal figures like seagulls and pelicans. There's even a cheeky nod to Village Roadshow, the park's main competitor who owns a movie world down the road. It's not just the physical side, as King Claw also has a fantastic audio package. There's a soundtrack that plays when the ride runs, giving an awesome and epic orchestral style piece of music that really fits in. There's also some ambient audio like the low groan of the King Claw monster, seagull cries, the sound of the ocean, and ships creaking. It's fantastically done, and one of the best sounding rides I've heard. Honestly, better than even some Disney and Universal attractions. They even have a themed boarding recording that plays in the queue, which sounds awesome.
Welcome aboard, King Claw. Before you face the fury of this legendary sea beast, please stow all loose items in the storage crates provided.
King Claw has really exceeded my expectations, both from a theming and actual ride experience point of view. You know, I was expecting the whole package of the attraction to be great, especially after the fantastic effort the park put into Rivertown last year. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Dreamworld have knocked it out of the park so far, and have produced the best themed flat ride in Australia, and a solid contender for the best flat ride in the country. It's personally my favourite, though I haven't done Giant Drop yet, but I'll be able to do that soon. So, have you ridden King Claw? What do you think of it? And if not, does this video make you want to check it out? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and a big thank you to my YouTube members, the Ogre Bros and the Ogre Sisters, for your kind support. Thank you for watching. Please consider watching another of my videos. I'll be sure to see you there. Have a great rest of your day. Ogre and out! Oh dear, what happened there? Ogre and out.